Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to see how to read buttons and send their state to Ableton Live to mute and unmute tracks. And as you can see, I have also LEDs here showing the state of the button. Let's start. To start, I will import a library or include a library called JC button, and if you want to know how to install this library, you should go to the sketch menu, include library, and go to manage libraries, and it should open a window. I type JC button and here is the library, so you should install. I won't install because it's already installed. And then you can also go to the file menu and search for examples. Normally every library comes with a set of examples. Here we have examples for a long press on the button, a simple on and off interaction, the toggle, which is what we are going to use today. So I will start by defining a total of buttons. So we have 4. And now the way to instantiate our buttons is like this. And I know they are connected here on the Teensy on pins 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here on the setup I will begin the serial command to print messages to the console, and we also need to tell to the library to run. Okay, so I'm going to make the for loop and like this, begin. Okay, this way the library is instantiated and it is ready to work with. And on the loop I'm just going to copy and paste this, and there is another command we need to type, which is the read command. Okay, this is the command to read the buttons. Now let's print everything just to see what is going on here. I will start to print the index, this value, which will tell us what is the button that is being printed to the console. And here it's a little space. Here we will start to see if a button is pressed. And now I will add another space, and here what we want is the toggle state. And finally I will print a line, and I will also add a delay because the Teensy is so fast sending these messages that will cause the computer to hang. Okay, something is going on here. Oh, of course, sorry guys. Let's go. Yeah, a different space with a vertical dash. Okay. Index 0, first button. The normal state is 1. If I press, the state goes to 0. When I release, this is the toggle state, it changes. I press, when I release, the toggle state changes. And the same for the other buttons. Okay. Okay, this is what we want. We want every time this toggle state changes, we will send a CC command to Ableton Live or to MIDI. It doesn't need to be Ableton Live. Okay. Okay. So if buttons change, notice that there is a changed function in the library, which is great because it's exactly what we need. And this time, let's see, this one won't matter now because we won't see anything, I suppose. Okay, nothing is going on. I press the button, I release, and this is the toggle state. I press the button and I release, and this is the toggle state. Okay, I will delete this. Okay, index 1, button 1, toggle state here, index 2, toggle state, index 3. We need to do another thing. We need to, every time that the toggle state is 1, we need to send the value 127, because it's how MIDI works. And I will add button CC message. I will add another variable with 4 places called button CC message. And now, if the toggle state is 1, this is 127, else 0. And now we can send our message. Okay, this is the index. This is the message, this second parameter, and this is the third parameter, is the MIDI channel. Okay, I will open Ableton Live. Okay, so I will click here this MIDI button, and I am in the MIDI mapping menu. And now I want to map this button here, it's highlighted, and I will press this button, and it appears here. Now I want to map this, I press the second button. I want to map this, I press the third button, and this, and I press the fourth button. And now, here we are. Okay. And now we can see that I'm still pressing, but there's something going on because it doesn't give the feedback that we want. Okay, this is the mouse, but the MIDI is not going through anymore, and this is probably because there is some buffer overload, and I don't know if it's on the Ableton side or if it is on the Teensy side, but there is a quick fix for this, which is while USB MIDI.read. So what this will do is it will read MIDI messages that are coming from Ableton Live and will discard, and the buffer will be always clean. Okay, let's see now. Let's stress the guy. Okay, seems to be working good. And now just let me add the LEDs. So we have the LEDs pins. It's another array, and I know that the LED pins are on Teensy 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I have to declare that they are outputs. And now it's just a matter of, let me see, if button change, I will put it inside this condition. Digital write LED pins buttons toggle state. Uh-oh, we have an error. Toggle has 2 G's. We have another error. What is going on? Oh, okay, here it's LEDs. LEDs. Yes, LEDs. Okay. Okay. What is going on? Output. Okay, here we are. And this is it for this video. In the next video, we will merge this code, this program, with the potentiometers program to have both the potentiometers and the buttons working and sending MIDI to Ableton Live or to any other software. Okay, I see you in the next video.